Inflation in the UK dipped to 10.5% in the year to December, down from 10.7% in November. Price rises slowed for a second month in a row, but the cost of living remains close to a 40-year high. Details of this and more in news from around the world.
Inflation, which measures the rate of price rises, fell to 10.5% in the year to December 2022 compared to 10.7% in November. The drop was due to fuel prices falling along with clothing and footwear prices. However, this was offset by rising costs in restaurants and hotels. The cost of food also continued to rise, and there was a big jump in airfares. Some analysts believe that the cost of living may now slowly be beginning to ease. But at 10.5%, UK inflation is still way above the 2% the Bank of England is charged with keeping inflation at. Prices have been rising steadily in the UK since the COVID pandemic, and the war in Ukraine has increased costs of households further, with energy and food costs soaring in recent months. Elsewhere, collapsed cryptocurrency exchange FTX says that around $415 million of crypto has been stolen by hackers. About $323 million was hacked from its international exchange and $90 million from its US platform since the firm filed for bankruptcy, FTX CEO confirmed. FTX co-founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been accused of stealing billions of dollars from FTX users to pay debts at his other firm, Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to fraud charges. Last week, the company told a bankruptcy judge in Delaware that it had recovered more than $5 billion in assets. FTX, which a year ago was valued at $32 billion, filed for bankruptcy protection on 11th November. Finally, Microsoft Corporation plans to cut thousands of jobs, with some roles expected to be eliminated in human resources and engineering divisions. The expected layoffs will be the last in the US technology sector, where companies including Amazon.com and Meta Platforms have announced retrenchment exercises in response to slowing demand and a worsening of the global economic outlook.